initiative. You've even highlighted initiative like Hustler Fund and what. You see, because this has been a purely digital process, these young people have applied using their phone. Nobody told them, it's just them and their phone. We did verification so that the whole country can come and see that indeed in this ward, we have these young people who have applied for this project. Then after that, they were subjected to EAT. Again, it is just your phone. At that point, nobody knows where you come from. It is your own initiative. Then we came to training. They've been coming to training. Nobody holds your hand, apart from the disabilities who, of course, they have to come with their caregivers. So when it comes to disbursement, right now, if we were not disbursing in the public, Trevor right now will be asking me, well, who are the beneficiaries? You've seen the beneficiaries in those classes, and that's why we call upon people, come and witness that these are the beneficiaries.
Okay.
So there are no political messaging in this.
Okay.
We invite everybody, and if tomorrow said now we are going to Garissa, the opposition leaders are free to join us.